Welcome to Whimsy Woods. A bubbly river calls the bunnies for a fun, brave float adventure.
Look at that bubbly river rushing in the sun. It's like a playful friend for our float adventure.
It's so fast, dear Mama Rosie.
I'm excited. My paws are jumpy.
Brave bunnies find fun teamwork, sweeties. Let's float and enjoy the river together.
That sounds exciting and safe for us all. What's first, Papa Benny, for our trip?
Grab a basket for snacks quick. Let's build a raft by the river.
I'll try, but I'm a bit worried.
Pack soft, cozy blankets, my dear bunnies. This river float will make us happy.
Okay, a brave river float adventure begins.
The river's full of surprises.
Look, colorful vines by the riverbank.
They're twisty, but are they strong?
What a wonderful find, my sweet bunnies. They are like the river's gift to us.
These vines are perfect for our sturdy raft. What can we do, Mama Rosie?
Let's braid. What do you think, my dear bunnies?
They're twisty. I'm a bit scared.
Let's weave a strong raft to feel safe. They're our sturdy friends today. We're a brave team. Let's try.
Okay, I'll try braiding the vines.
Together we'll make it work.
I'm braiding a vine. It's so twisty. But I'm scared it's not strong enough.
I braided a piece. It's super neat, but the river's fast. It's a bit scary.
Those are brave teamwork ideas, my bunnies. The vines help us feel safe and strong.
Let's braid more to feel bold. What do you think, Mama Rosie?
The river's kind. Keep braiding. Lily, how's it going, sweet bunny?
I'm less scared, Mama Rosie. Why are the vines so twisty?
The vines share Whimsy Wood's strength. They make the river safe for us.
Braiding together is super fun.
I see the raft getting really strong.
I'll be brave like those sturdy vines.
You're a strong, curious bunny.
I pushed the raft. It's super sturdy. It's fun, like a ride on the water.
scary. My drawing's twisty. I'm kinda bold.
What a happy teamwork river adventure. What's it doing, Papa Benny?
It's a strong raft for Whimsy Woods. The vines share happy strength with us.
The raft's friendly. I love it. Can we float it even further?
Let's float a big, cozy trip. I'm the boldest big brother ever.
Your strong hearts make this raft steady. Should we keep floating, my bunnies?
Yes, let's float with joy and love. This raft's a gift for our family.
We're a brave raft-floating bunny family.
Look at us glide so smoothly.
The otters love our vine scraps. So cool! They're weaving shapes in the bubbly water.
I shared a vine. A fish swam by. It's not scary. It's my sturdy pal.
Let's munch muffins and share more vines. What's happening, Papa Benny?
The vines call our river friends to play. They share Whimsy Woods' happy strength.
I love sharing with our new pals. Can we share more vines tomorrow?
Let's give them scraps for their games. It'll make the river happy.
Your brave hearts made this float special. Ready to hop home, sweet bunnies?
Let's carry drawings and keep sharing. The vine's strength stays in our hearts.
I see otters weaving our vine scrap.
It's like a joyful river party.
This float made our family super close.
I want to float again soon.
We're stronger together like the vines.
What did our river vines teach us today?
Working together makes stuff fun and neat.
Being brave feels like a big cozy hug.
A little vine makes big family love. Right, my sweet Mama Rosie.
Yes, Papa Benny. Our hearts feel happy and warm now.
I was scared, but you helped me. Can we draw more rafts tomorrow?
And float with river friends again. Maybe trips by the water.
Whimsy Woods loves our brave, strong hearts.
We learn to trust as a happy team.
It's so very neat and super fun.
I'm so happy with my bunny family.
You're my strong, sturdy bunny stars.
I'm proud of our raft.
Wave to Whimsy Woods, bunnies!
See you next adventure.
Bye, everyone.
Come back soon.
And so the Hoppin' Wood Bunny family learned being brave makes fun adventures and happy families. What surprises await in Whimsy Woods? Join them soon.